This video is about asking the wrong question to the wrong person. And of course, we are talking about a flat earther. Kyle Adam lost his channel some weeks ago, but I have started a new one. And in the video I will look at today, he visiting a university and he asked the wrong person the wrong question. Somebody surprised? I'm not, because he's a typical flat earther. Let's start this dumpster fire. So, this man is nervous, according to Kyle. It's obvious that Kyle found him at Utah Tech University Science Engineering Technology building. Okay, let's start this.
So, whenever gas goes into a vacuum chamber, that gas expands, right?
Okay.
It goes everywhere. Okay. How are stars formed?
You need to talk to a physicist. I'm a mechanical engineer.
Let's listen to that one once more.
You need to talk to a physicist. I'm a mechanical engineer.
At this point, it's quite clear that this man told Kyle, this is not my area of expertise. I haven't studied it. I don't work with it.
That's okay. That's okay. So, NASA claims that stars are formed by gas clumping together in the vacuum of space, right?
Okay.
So, if that's a test question and you don't agree with the answer, okay, and you're kind of forced to write the answer, do you feel like it's being forced to lie, to say something you don't agree with or believe in, but you're just kind of writing it anyway to get credit?
No, I would research it, find out if it's true. You know.
Okay, and so your research continually shows that gas doesn't clump together in a vacuum, and you find out that this is true and they're wrong. So, if you answer the way the test question wants you to, then you're saying something you don't believe in.
Well, you got to believe in whatever research you do, and you make up your own understanding of whatever subject it is, and then you present it. And if it matches what NASA's saying, then fine. Otherwise, you can refute it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so we're talking about like a test question, like the testing center, right? And so you don't feel like any of those are. If you don't agree with the answers, but you know the answer, you don't think it's being forced to lie?
I mean, when they publish something, that's based on their findings.
Uh-huh.
And you can do your own research, or you have your own knowledge, and you can refute it if you need to, if you don't agree with it.
Man just gave Kyle a very good explanation, good reply about how science works, how science are conducted. But Kyle obviously don't understand it. He thinks they are forced to give answers in exams and that they are lying to you. This man explains very clear how science works all the time.
Okay, so would you appreciate having a third option on a test saying this is the answer you want here, but I don't agree with that answer, and here's why.
Yeah, that might work. That might work, yeah.
Right? So it would make the testing process feel a lot less indoctrinated and a lot more trustworthy.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
Sounds like Kyle thinks that he did get some agreement from this man. It's very clear on this man's body language, what he's saying, that he says yes, 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 to get rid of this fool. He didn't enjoy this very stupid discussion with Kyle. So that he said this in the end of it was to end the discussion and get away from this fool. Obviously, Kyle couldn't read those simple signs from the man.
Indoctrination is the process of teaching a person or group a set of beliefs uncritically. If you are forced to agree with your teacher or get docked, that is indoctrination.
Kyle was on a university asking these questions. All education on a university is based on science, and science always questions the results. The problem Kyle has with science is that he believes that the Bible is a science book and that he could refuse to accept scientific research by pointing at the Bible. For instance, how old is the Earth, and so on, and that he believes that space is fake. Therefore, he says, NASA says that.
It's time to stand up and speak up. Please send a text, send an email, and express your concern. Every little bit helps. Together, we can make a difference. Send.
First of all, he did show telephone numbers and emails to 3 of those professors. I have hidden them. I don't like this at all. He asked people that have nothing to do with this university in Utah to send emails and so on to the professors about how tests are conducted. And it was quite clear this is a technical university. It's have nothing to do with how the universe was formed. If you read Kyle's letter on the screen here, it's very clear that Kyle don't understand anything about science and how it works. And his fixation with NASA is hilarious, because this university, he could have asked other questions, but all his critique is based on his Bible beliefs, his way of reading the Bible as the truth. So we could question the Bible the same way. Are your priest in your church forcing you to believe in lies? Because I don't believe what they are saying, so then it must be okay for me to believe in the Bible in another way than he says I should believe it. As most of you already know, I don't believe in God, but it's the same with Kyle. He don't believe in science. And it's very obvious that he don't understand science.
Destroy.
So in this video, Kyle showed that he don't understand science, and the only thing you can believe in is the Bible and his way to read the Bible. I hope you liked the video. If you did, become a member, subscribe, or come back next time I'm showing a video. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.